This video will show you how to replace the taillight on your Cat UTV. Do not perform any lubrication, maintenance, or repair on Cat equipment until you have read and understand the operation and maintenance manual for the product. Information in the video complements, but does not replace the detailed safety information featured in Cat operation and maintenance manuals and service manuals. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. If one or more individual LED bulbs are not working, the taillight assembly must be replaced. Shown here are some of the required tools for this task. First, open the tailgate by pulling the latch handles. Using a T30 screwdriver, remove the two cap screws securing the cover. The cover will then come off with ease. Disconnect the connector from the taillight. Using a T20 screwdriver, remove the two cap screws securing the taillight to the cargo box. After the old taillight is removed, connect the new taillight to the connector. Using a T20 screwdriver, install the two cap screws, securing the new taillight to the cargo box. Now, using a T30 screwdriver, install the cover with the two cap screws. This concludes the video on how to replace the taillight on your Cat UTV in order to increase visibility and safety. For more information, check out your operation and maintenance manual or contact your local participating Cat UTV dealer.